Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS Home School. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take ICT class for the student of 8 students. And our today's topic is chapter 1 lesson 2 discussion. So dear student, look at the board please. Our today's topic is chapter 1 lesson 2 discussion and our lecture number is 2. Again I am saying topic is chapter 1 lesson 2 discussion and our lecture number is 2. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Chapter 1 lesson 2. Lesson 2, information and communication technology in creating and getting job. Information and communication technology in creating and getting job. So this headline help us to know that information and communication technology help us to get job. So let's start our today's topic. Remarkable changes in different levels of the society are noticed for the enormous advancement of information and communication technology. At the very beginning, it was predicted that the job opportunities would be decreased and the number of unemployed would be increased because of the automation and the application of technology. But later it was proved that some conventional job opportunities had been abolished and some trends of working had been changed. But thousands of job opportunities had been created. Research work shows that opportunities for employment have been increased along with the internet connection. Dr. Iqbal Kadir, an eminent Bengali educationist and professor of Massachusetts Institute of Technology MIT, has defined the growth of productivity for the successful application of information and communication technology in this way. Connectivity is productivity. That is, productivity increases when people are integrated to technology. It results in new enterprises that create new job opportunities. So the summary of this passage is that connectivity is productivity. When connectivity is increasing, then productivity also increasing and our job opportunities will be increased. A worker becomes more skilled when information technology is applied. So an organization can get a big volume of works done by employing a small number of workers. We can consider the following matters as for relevant instance. Number 1, the risky jobs of different factories can be done either by robots or by automatic machine instead of men. The risky job, in the risky job different factories are used robots or automatic machine instead of men. Number 2, employees are required to ensure the timely presence of workers and to keep the accounts of salary and allowance and automatic attendance counting machine and the use of software for keeping accounts etc. can successfully do this job. An ICT system or information technology system required to ensure the timely presence of worker, salaries, allowance, all these are done by computer and successfully do this job. It is possible to arrange the products automatically in a storehouse. It is possible to arrange the products automatically in a storehouse. No additional manpower is required in telephone exchange for computer operated digital system. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. It is possible to respond any queries of the consumer anytime by using automatic interactive voice technology. It is possible to draw cash anytime from the ATMs of banks. ATM cards are very popular by the using of ICT or information technology. The trends of different works are changing every day due to the application of ICT. The remarkable changes are as follows. At a time, many trends or different works are changing day by day the help of ICT. These remarkable changes are follow here. These are the remarkable changes by ICT. An employee should try to make himself skilled continuously to cope with the changing trends of the workplace for his survival. Many works are skillfully done by using computer staying at home. It does not matter whether you have any experience of that work, such as editing of photography and video. These are the changes of ICT. Many people are now working staying at home. So many organizations have been transformed into virtual ones, and the number of the supporting workers in these organizations has been reduced, and their working trend is changed too. Many working staying at home. Many people are working staying at home, and many organizations have transferred into virtual one by the help of this ICT system. As automatic monitoring is possible, the tendency of neglecting duty has gradually been eased off. Creating new job sectors through information communication technology is the main incentive of it. As a result, large number of job opportunities are created. Through information technology is the main incentive, and as a result, large number of job opportunities are created. Expansion of mobile phone sector in Bangladesh and the creation of new types of job. Through information technology, main incentive and the large number of opportunities are created, and number one job opportunities is in mobile sector. Mobile sector are great number of job opportunities. The flourishing of mobile phone sectors not only boosts the national revenue but also generates a large number of job opportunities in different sectors in Bangladesh. Mobile sector not only increase national revenue but also increase a large number of job opportunities in different sectors in Bangladesh, such as number A, employment opportunities in mobile phone companies. A large number of job seekers have been provided with lucrative jobs in mobile operating companies. A mobile company is the largest technology related company in the country. Number B, selling, marketing and maintenance of mobile phone. A great demand of workers has been created to provide about 12 crore consumer of mobile phone with phone sales, marketing, selling and post-selling services. In our mobile sector, 12 crore consumer of mobile phones. So, these 12 crore consumer had many work like phone set, marketing, selling and post-selling service sector. These sectors also creating many job opportunities. Number C, different mobile-oriented service providers. Number of bill pay centers is increasing every day. For the payment of mobile phone bills, a consumer can receive his required service along with paying the bill from the service centers. Number D, creation of new sectors. With the increasing consumption of mobile phones, numerous job sectors like mobile banking have been created. So, a large number of job seekers have been employed here. In our mobile sector, large number of job seekers have been employed here, and in the mobile sector there are lots of job opportunities, and those are possible only for our information and communication technology system. Internet and the information technology played a vital role not only in creating jobs but also providing the job seekers. Previously, the job circulars were usually stuck up either on the notice boards of the concerned officer or on the wall of the government organizations. Besides, the circulars of employment opportunity were published in the newspapers. A new kind of service called job sites has been opened as a result of the expansion of ICT. The Employment Authority can publish circulars on that website. They can even publish circulars either on their own website or on social communication site like Facebook for free. So, a large number of job seekers can be informed instantly of the advertisement, or they can keep them registered on a website like that. As a result, the registered person can be informed either through email or through SMS as soon as a new advertisement is published. Before, our job circular only stuck on government organization or government official board, but at present the job opportunities published website or a social communication site Facebook for free. So as a result the job seeker can register or can inform either through email or SMS as soon as new advertisement is published. Earning opportunities staying at home. Earning opportunities staying at home. Nowadays, the third world countries have the opportunities to provide service for other countries. Staying at home for the innovation of the internet. A large number of organizations of different countries get their jobs like website development, maintenance, monthly salary, sheet preparation, ad information on the website, software development etc. done by the workers of other countries. It is called outsourcing. It is called outsourcing. Anybody can involve himself with this kind of work if he has the internet connection. In these cases, job skill and language proficiency are required. Many websites provide these kinds of opportunities. Upwork, www.upwork.com, Freelancer, www.freelancer.com, Elance, www.elance.com etc. are the popular websites of this kind. Nowadays, independent professionals are engaged in self-employment in Bangladesh through this website. The job facilities are expanding at a rapid speed through outsourcing. Upworking, Freelancer, Elance are the outsourcing. In this outsourcing software. In this software, people also work and get their job opportunities and earn money staying at home. So So my dear student, this is our today's topic. Hope all of you students have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and Allah Hafiz.